What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with another segment, man. If y'all caught the last one, we went ahead and removed the excess hair that we had growing out of our scalp. You feel me? If y'all missed that, how I put the hairline and everything back, hit the card that pops up if y'all interested in seeing that. But today, I got something else for y'all. We got a brand new razor. I believe this bad boy just came out. Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar. There's another one that's like a heated one. I think it's a crazy price. I never used it, but you know, depending on how this video does in the comments, hey, I might go get the heated razor as well. But this one right here, again, this is brand new. This is the black and gold edition. It does have a magnetic stand for the razor to sit on, and there's also another one that comes with a case as well. I really didn't want that one, but for the extra price, just for a case and I think one extra blade, I don't know. So we're gonna start off with this one. If I like it, then I might recommend you guys get the one with the case, just in case you might you know, be traveling around like I do from time to time. Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar, a shave as quick and easy as washing your face. And we're definitely gonna see about that, because I got this specifically for the gimmick that I think it is, right? With the exfoliating bar. I really do need some exfoliation on my scalp. I'm gonna show you guys before I do the shave, then we're gonna look at it real close after the shave and see if it exfoliated our skin. On the side, it says right here, it has a 2D flex disc. It has 5 blades on the razor, has a metal handle as well as the magnetic stand, as I told you guys. Other side doesn't say nothing except just some brand stuff. Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar, and you can kind of feel the bar just a little bit, if that's what they're trying to replicate, the actual feeling that you'll get. And if it does feel just like this, I don't think it's gonna actually exfoliate nothing, to be honest with you, if it feels like that. But yeah, okay, now we're on the back. Shows a guy with some fresh water thrown on his face for a quick and easy shave every day. Removes dirt and debris before the blades. Magnetic stand keeps your razor clean, dry, and ready to use. 2D flex disc contours to your face to ensure comfort and contact with every stroke, as well as some quick branding stuff right there, right? By the way, if you guys didn't catch the last video, if you guys are wondering why I sound like this, man, your boy's been out of commission for a while. I did get sick, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you how it happened, man. Your boy, y'all see my chest sticking out, man? Y'all see it, man? Your boy been in the gym, right? Nah, I got asthma, right? I've had asthma all my life. Preventative asthma at this point. Before, I used to just start getting sick out of nowhere, wheezing, can't breathe. Now these days, I'm able to keep up, play sports, do everything. And instead of me using my medicine when I can't breathe, you know, I was about to get on the treadmill, go a little crazy. I sprayed the inhaler, and again, because I don't use it all the time, I think the inhaler that I used was very old or something, I don't know. As soon as I sprayed it, my throat just dried up instantly. I didn't have to leave or nothing, kept going, did everything. But next thing I know, next day, my throat hurting like crazy. Then a day or two goes by, my throat doesn't hurt anymore, but then I can't talk. My voice is just very squeaky. I was just whispering and stuff for the day until I was told, or I read online, that I shouldn't even whisper, shouldn't talk. So I just been down and out, and all I've been able to do is just type for the most part. But your boy's voice came back today. This is getting better, right? So just wanted to tell y'all that for those who care about your boy. If y'all care about your boy, hit the thumbs up button on this video and drop a comment and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. With no further ado though, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and slice this bad boy open. Hopefully the only thing we slicing open is this box and not our scalp. Hopefully this razor is nice and friendly with our skin and it does us just right, you feel me? Alright, so y'all seen me do the little slice. Comes right out the box. Let's see if it's gonna show something. Alright, nothing to reveal, it looks like. Nothing to reveal off the peel out. But maybe this time we do. Let's see, let's see. Oh, okay, okay. So we do have the razor right here. I can definitely tell. So it's got a little bit of weight to it. I think it said, what did it say? A metal handle? Is that what it said? A metal handle, yep. So I definitely do feel the weight. It's got some rubber and stuff. Let me actually zoom in, man, while I'm enjoying it for the first time. This thing definitely seems premium. And for the price, it should be premium. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? I'm getting a close up at the razor. Oh yeah. Definitely loving the weight of it thus far. But I forgot the razor that had basically the perfect handle, the perfect everything, but then the blade and the I guess the release button and all that type of stuff was in the way that affected the shave. But let's go ahead and take the cap off. So we got a little small cap on here. Let's let it focus in. It says Gillette, so we do have a cover. So good thing that it comes with this, because again, we didn't get the one that came with the case. So as long as we could put this cover back on it, we should be good. Now, how do I remove it from here though? I don't want to, oh, okay, just pull it with a little bit of force. This is what the blade looks like up close. Let's get it. There it is. And there is that exfoliating bar. Does it feel just like it did on the box? Slightly. No, it's actually a little bit better. Actually, when I'm looking at it from the side, you guys probably can't tell from the side because it's like flush. But looking at it from the side a little bit, can I zoom it in there? Anyway, it looks like it has a little bit of bristles that are not, you know, showing up on the box, but hopefully it does us right, man. This is the Gillette with the exfoliating bar and the metal handle. And I believe this is our rotating wheel right here. So let's zoom out. So again, rubber, rubber, rubber. And let's see, does it move? Okay, so it moves slightly to one side, slightly to the next. Now, does it go back and forth? Yep, it does that as well. The blade moves back and forth right there. Whereas some other razors move, you know, the push point is right here. So it looks like just the head itself is what moves. And then with our rotating bar here, it goes to the left and it goes to the right slightly. So there it is, guys. Again, close up, we have some rubber right here. Very good grip. Don't think it's gonna be slipping out of my hands even once it's wet right there. The rest of this is like, so it's plastic right here, or rubber right here. The rest of this is metal. Then we got rubber all along this whole side, this whole back side. It's all rubber, grip everywhere. So, okay, I really do like it thus far. Now let's see what else we got in the box. Showing y'all as I'm taking it out. We'll pull this back here. It says, experience the world of Gillette Labs right there on the inside of the box. No point in zooming in because that's all it says. We got a little pull tab right here. And I guess our stand is right here. We'll set this down. And last but not least, it looks like, let's actually pull it all out. I see another extra blade in here. Let's see, let me take the whole thing out and see if there's anything hidden below. Nope. No instructions or nothing like that. We just have some cutout of the cardboard that it used to hold the magnetic stand in there. So I guess I'll be using the entire box itself as my travel case, right? We do have our magnetic stand, nice weight to it. Now let's see how easy it is to stand up in there. All right, so it stands, a little bit of wiggle. Definitely don't want it to drop on the floor before I get my first shave on. Now it doesn't make any type of snap or anything. That would be cool if it was a little bit stronger, so you can just kind of get in there and just whoop, snaps in. So it goes in, wiggles around just a little bit, but magnetized right there. I think it'll be pretty cool, especially because if you guys ever seen before, I used to have like all my beard balms, beard oils, everything like that on my desk on like a tray. And now I could just have this and the other stuff I'm getting ready to use. So this is getting put to the test in just a couple minutes. In addition to that razor though, we also got this right here. This is from Tree Hut Bear. This is coconut lime moisturizing shave oil. Initially, I was not looking for this at all. I was looking for a different shaving oil that I've showcased on this channel multiple times. But when I went looking for it, it did not appear to be available. So then I seen this not too far away from where I was looking. And of course I pulled up the reviews, and before I did any type of typing or anything, one of the first reviews that caught my eye was they compared this to what I was actually looking for, and they said this works a lot better. Now, it was just a written review and not a video review like I'm giving y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all the real test and what I think from y'all knowing, you know, me actually using the product before. This is only priced a little bit more than the actual oil I was looking for. And with that little bit of added price, you get a lot more oil. I think the other one is what, 2 ounces max, and I really don't even think it's 1.8 ounces of oil, whereas this is 7.7 ounces of oil that you get right here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know a lot of people do have short attention spans, so for that reason, we're gonna stop the video right now, and this will just be the unboxing portion. But if you want to see the actual use and test of both of these new products that I just picked up, make sure you guys like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the actual test review. Peace.